Hello everybody, here's a real quick video. I am going to see if this Equity alarm clock from 1990 has tape on the buttons. I'm going to see if it's a factory job or somebody did a repair job. Mine has 2 screws on the bottom. And one of them's loose. One of them was loose from the factory, I guess. Now see about prying this thing apart. Looks like somebody's been in here. It's got a definite pry mark there. So I'll do this off camera, not to waste too much time. Okay, I had a screw stripped out, so that was a big deal. Had to drill it out, but I got into it. In mine, the metal buttons are taped on. So if that tape turns loose, I'll know how to fix it. And I did a little heating and melting of the plastic standoff that's in this clock, and looked through my assortment of screws, and I found one, and I was able to get a screw back in there. So no harm done, all good.